Hello, everyone. It's me, your boy, the Critical Critic. Today I went to Subway. I got a raspberry pomegranate vitamin water drink to go with my food. Has a very great taste to it. I also got chips, because you never go to Subway and don't get chips. I got a raspberry cheesecake cookie. And to top that off, I got the absolute new s'mores cookie. We're gonna taste it. We're going to. First, I'm gonna do what everyone should do whenever they get their food. Don't eat your dessert first. I mean, if you're an adult like I am, you can eat your dessert first because I've earned that. Yeah, I'm gonna eat my dessert first. Chocolate tastes a little good, so here we go. Has a very crunchy texture. Has little marshmallow pieces, as you can see. Really accelerates that. Makes it taste extremely good. Now onto the raspberry cheesecake. Oh yeah. Absolutely amazing. I'd go as far to say new s'more is good. Raspberry cheesecake is better because I like everything that's cheesecake related. I really do. I have an addiction to cheesecake. Now on to the big main event, steak and cheese tomato basil wrap from Subway. Just look. Okay. The wrap is extremely soft, so it's nice and firm to be able to grab and eat. Before I go any further, the cheese, I got pepper jack cheese, which if you're me, that's what you should get. You should always go for pepper jack cheese, because if you get pepper jack cheese and they're toasting the cheese with the meat, steak, chicken, whatever you get, it will bring out the juices, the flavoring. It's honestly amazing. Also, makes the little sandwich a whole lot juicier. That's from me to you. That's knowledge that I just withheld to you. Yeah. Overall, a great meal. Almost forgot. I mean, I saved the best for last because, in my opinion, it's like this. I don't really like original Lays, but baked Lays are a different situation. Honestly, don't even have anything to say about it. They're just that good. I will say they have a great crispy crunch to them. They're absolutely amazing. They have a light and they're sprinkled with salt. Overall, really good. Thanks for stopping by. I'm the Critical Critic, and I'll see you later. later.